Imagine a city where nature and technology coexist in perfect harmony. Welcome to Neo Horizon, a beacon of innovation and sustainability. Towering skyscrapers adorned with vertical gardens pierce the sky. Lush green parks, equipped with interactive installations, provide residents with tranquil escapes. In Neo Horizon, cutting-edge technology seamlessly integrates into every aspect of daily life, creating an urban utopia for its inhabitants. Neo Horizon is a model of urban planning and sustainable living. The city's design prioritizes renewable energy sources, energy-efficient infrastructure, and a robust public transportation system. This dedication to sustainability has yielded tangible results. The air is clean and fresh, a stark contrast to the polluted metropolises of the past. The streets are free of congestion, promoting a peaceful and efficient flow of life. The city's commitment to sustainability extends beyond its environmental impact. Neo Horizon boasts a thriving and diverse community, fostered by a strong sense of social responsibility and interconnectedness. The city's residents are united by a shared vision of a brighter future, where technology serves to enhance human connection and well-being. Neo Horizon is not merely a city, it is an ecosystem of innovation, sustainability, and human-centric design. Alex wakes up in their smart apartment, sunlight streaming through the windows. The smart system adjusts the lighting and temperature for the perfect morning ambiance. With a voice command, Alex accesses their news feed projected onto the wall. They check the latest events and their schedule, organized by the AI assistant. After a quick breakfast from the smart kitchen, Alex heads to their home gym. The gym tracks their progress and provides personalized workout recommendations. Alex enjoys a yoga session, guided by a virtual instructor. In the bathroom, the smart mirror displays their health metrics. It also offers personalized skincare recommendations. Alex checks the smart refrigerator's grocery list. They submit it to their grocery delivery service with a voice command. With everything set, Alex grabs their smart bag and heads out to embrace the day. Stepping out of their apartment building, Alex is greeted by a clean, vibrant cityscape. Instead of the noise of honking horns and the smell of exhaust fumes, they are met with the gentle hum of electric vehicles and the scent of blooming flowers from nearby vertical gardens. Alex hails a self-driving taxi using their smartphone. Within minutes, a sleek, autonomous vehicle arrives, ready to whisk them away to their destination. As the taxi glides effortlessly through the city streets, Alex enjoys the scenic views. They are amazed by the efficiency of the city's traffic flow, orchestrated by a central AI system that optimizes traffic signals and vehicle routes in real time. This intelligent traffic management system has eliminated congestion, significantly reducing commute times and improving air quality. During the commute, Alex catches up on work emails, reads the news, or simply enjoys the ride. The taxi's panoramic windows offer stunning views of the cityscape, a seamless blend of nature and technology. They marvel at how far technology has come, creating a world where commuting is no longer a chore, but an opportunity for relaxation or productivity. Sustainability is not just a buzzword in Neo Horizon, it's a way of life. The city's infrastructure minimizes environmental impact, powered by renewable energy sources like solar and wind. Vertical farms provide fresh, locally sourced produce year-round using hydroponics and aeroponics. Alex's apartment features a gray water recycling system and smart thermostats. Residents have access to a rooftop garden for growing their own produce. Neo Horizon promotes eco-friendly practices through educational programs and incentives. Residents are rewarded for sustainable choices like using public transportation and reducing waste. This holistic approach fosters a community deeply connected to the environment. Section 5. The future of work. Arriving at their workplace, Alex steps into a world where technology augments human capability. Their office building is a hub of innovation, featuring flexible workspaces designed to foster collaboration and creativity. Alex's company has embraced the latest advancements in augmented reality and virtual reality technologies. During their team meeting, Alex and their colleagues seamlessly share ideas and data through interactive holographic projections. They can manipulate three-dimensional models with their hands, visualizing complex concepts in an intuitive and engaging way. VR simulations allow them to test out new product designs and marketing campaigns in immersive virtual environments, reducing the need for costly physical prototypes. Alex's work is also enhanced by their AI assistant, which helps them prioritize tasks, schedule meetings, and analyze data. The AI can even generate reports and presentations, freeing up Alex's time to focus on more strategic and creative tasks. This seamless integration of technology has not only increased efficiency, but has also fostered a more collaborative and engaging work environment. Section 6. Safety and wellness at your fingertips. Safety and well-being are paramount in Neo Horizon. The city is equipped with an advanced network of sensors and surveillance cameras that monitor everything from traffic flow to air quality. This data is fed into a central AI system, which can detect anomalies and potential threats in real time. The system alerts the relevant authorities, such as law enforcement or emergency services, ensuring a swift and efficient response to any situation. Beyond security, Neo Horizon prioritizes the health and well-being of its residents. Public health kiosks are strategically located throughout the city, providing free access to basic healthcare services. These kiosks are equipped with telemedicine technology, allowing residents to consult with doctors and healthcare professionals remotely. The kiosks also offer diagnostic tests, such as blood pressure and blood sugar monitoring, empowering residents to take control of their health. Neo Horizon's commitment to safety and wellness extends beyond technology. The city promotes a culture of health and well-being through community fitness programs, public parks, and healthy food options. This holistic approach has resulted in a healthier and happier population, with residents enjoying longer lifespans and a higher quality of life. Section 7. Community and connection. Despite its futuristic facade, Neo Horizon is a city with a strong sense of community. The city's design encourages interaction and connection among its residents. Public spaces are designed to foster a sense of belonging, with parks, plazas, and community centers serving as hubs for social gatherings and events. The city's digital infrastructure also plays a vital role in fostering community connections. A dedicated city app keeps residents informed about local events, news, and community initiatives. The app also features a social networking component, allowing residents to connect with their neighbors, join interest-based groups, and participate in online forums. In the evening, Alex heads to the city's Central Park for a community concert. The park is alive with activity, with families picnicking on the lawns, children playing in the interactive fountains, and street performers entertaining the crowds. The concert takes place in an open-air amphitheater, equipped with state-of-the-art sound and lighting systems. As people from all walks of life come together to unwind and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere. Section 9. A glimpse into the future. Neo Horizon may seem like a distant utopia, but the reality is that many of the technologies showcased in this city of the future are already being implemented in cities around the world. From smart traffic management systems to renewable energy infrastructure, the building blocks of smart, sustainable cities are being laid today. The transition to smart cities is being driven by a convergence of factors, including rapid urbanization, technological advancements, and a growing awareness of the need for sustainability. As the world's population continues to grow and urban areas become increasingly dense, the need for efficient, sustainable, and citizen-centric urban environments will only become more pressing. Neo Horizon serves as a beacon of what is possible when we embrace technology as a tool for good. It is a testament to the power of human ingenuity to create a future where cities are not just concrete jungles but thriving ecosystems that enhance our lives and protect our planet. The future is closer than we think, and it is filled with possibilities as limitless as our imagination.